Okay. So it does take a little bit, but again, notice how too with the smaller rod, when you push it in and dip it, you push in a little bit further. Okay, just force a little bit more. And once I said, the ideal thing is this is why you guys need to learn how to read your puddle. Your puddle will tell you everything you could possibly need to know on what to do. Because if it comes out super thin or anything, you know, okay, I need more. Okay, if it comes out super bulby, then oh shit, I got too much. You know, if it gets too wide, fuck, I'm too hot.